Hi everybody, it's Wolf and Walker here. Today I'm in York and I'm going to go in the National York Railway Museum. So without further ado, let's go and have a look around. The infamous Evening Star. So, full. How times have changed. I mean, I love, with anything, I've probably, let's turn you around. Yeah, I've probably said in previous videos, I love design of things. I also like the sound they produce, so the audio is an important part of the experience with me. Here we have the Japanese Bullet. Class 84. £77 tons worth. Power that must have come out of these. Well, I know the power that did come out of these because I've seen a few. Class 47. Another beast. Beast of a locomotive. It's number 390 tank engine. Yeah, by the way, folks, I'm giving this information. It might be right, it might not be, so don't, if you want to correct me in the comments below, but I don't make out I know a lot. And just as you thought the Americans would do something bigger, they always do. This is the KF7 from 1935. I say that to do it bigger. I mean, it's probably more powerful. They had to have more powerful locomotives. D8000. I think in some circles they're known as wardrobes. Don't have to get me to explain to you why. I'm actually quite fond of this one. Nice little engine. London to Brighton, South Coast Railway. Right, it's going to actually go up now in the Evening Star. Yeah, what you've got to remember, these were complete workstations. These would have been filthy dirty by the end of the day with coal and soot everywhere. And the travelling public wouldn't have realised all the hard work that was going into pull this express along. Familiar. That's a Hitachi train, intercity. That's what I actually travelled up here on. Class 800 or 801. That's the front of it anyway, the rest of it's not in. They can only get the cab in. D9002, also known as a Class 55. I think this was Deltic, and the reason it's called Deltic is a Greek name. It's like a triangular formation with the pistons inside. I think that's right. If my memory serves me correctly. Love the colour. You know, it's not just the design. The colour of it is. Diesel alcohol. So even that's got design to it. It's a diesel rail car, but thought and effort's gone into the actual design. That's the end of the video, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow, like and subscribe.